See, okay. First of all, I'll move to next page. Hello. Sorry students, I'm mic mute la పెట్టేసాను. Okay, right. See, actually this is SR latching NOR combination, and S means audio ఉంది కదా. Okay, so SR latching NOR gate. So S is a set and R is a reset. Okay, actually this is a logic symbol of both NOR gate and NAND gate function. This is the common block diagram logic symbol of SR latching. So this is called latching device. Latching device. Okay, so latching device means what is meant by latching means this actually I draw the block diagram. See here, the block diagram means we are using two NOR gates. Okay, the first input of the NOR gate is taken as a reset pin, and the second one input is a set pin connected to set pin. And see, the first input of the first NOR gate is connected to output of the second NOR gate, and the second input of the NOR gate, the second input of the NOR gate is connected to the first output of the NOR gate. So this combination is called latching. Okay, so this combination is called latching. Latching means it is a the output, the fraction of output is output of the first NOR gate is connected to input of the second NOR gate, and the fraction of output of the second NOR gate is connected to input of the first NOR gate connection. So this type of connection is called latching. Okay, so this is nothing but latching. Latching means they are they are shared their outputs to primary. So the first output fraction is fed back to second NOR gate input, and the second output is fed back to NOR gate of the first output. So therefore, so this is the call, this is actually the combination is called a latching combination. So this is nothing but latching. So the output of the first NOR gate is QN, this is called normal port, and the output of the second NOR gate is nothing but complementary port. So this is called complementary port and VSOP. So every flip-flop having the one normal port and one complementary port. So this type of combination is called latching, and these latching is why we are connecting this latching means if you are not connecting to this latching means it behaves like a combinational circuits. So whenever you gave this type of connection to this gates, then this is acts as a sequential circuit. That means, so before actually QN bar both are nothing but past outputs only, past outputs. Okay, why? Because it's a past output, because if you are not connecting these inputs, then you are not connecting these inputs right now. For suppose you are not connecting these inputs, then the first NOR gate will gives output QN, and second NOR gate will gives output QN bar. That is nothing but the present state. Present state means it is a past output. Okay, so after the past output is simply we are considered as a memory of the device. Okay, so these past inputs are present, means these past outputs are right now stored in memory device. Now this memory is directly connected to fed back to this gates, NOR gates. So that is the reason these outputs are acts as a past outputs. And what about the present outputs right now? So the present output is nothing but QN plus 1, and the present complementary port is QN plus 1 whole bar. So these are nothing but present output. Okay, so this is nothing but present outputs, and QN dash is nothing but past outputs. So every time the latching having two outputs, the past output and present output. So generally the past outputs again we are consider, see the past output of the first NOR gate is QN, and this QN is connected to second NOR gate, and the second NOR gate past output is QN bar, this connected to input of the first NOR gate. So this is the memory and the memory is again take feedback to the two NOR gates. So that's why this is the present state, and it is also called as the past outputs. And taking the feedback of these outputs, again the two NOR gates performed a new output, that is called present output. Okay, so this is the condition of latching. So ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ కాంబినేషన్ ని లాచింగ్ అంటారండి. లాచింగ్ అంటే దీని యొక్క అవుట్పుట్ ఇది తీసుకోవడం, దీని యొక్క అవుట్పుట్ ఇది తీసుకోవడం, ఇలా ఇచ్చే కనెక్షన్ ని మనం లాచింగ్ అంటాం. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఎస్ఆర్ లాచింగ్. దీనికి మీరు అడిషనల్ గా రెండు నాండ్ గేట్లు కానీ రెండు ఆర్ గేట్లు కానీ కనెక్ట్ చేస్తే దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఫ్లిప్ ఫ్లాప్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ లాచింగ్స్ ఉండాలి. ఈ లాచింగ్ కాంబినేషన్ will be connected to any one of the additional NOR gates or NAND gates. We are using additional NOR gates and NAND gates for the output through clock pulse, then it will be converted into a flip flop. So after until then it acts as a latching devices. So how now come to truth table. Okay, so I'll first explain the truth table. See, actually here the past output, actually we don't know the past output. Why? Because the past output is a simply unknown state right now. Why? Because qn and bar values I don't know. So that's why the past output either 0 or 1, whatever it may be, but we don't know exactly it is 0 or 1. Okay, similarly they are complementary also. If your qn value is 0, then your complementary output is 1. If your qn value normal port is 1, then complementary port is 0. But right now I don't know the present outputs. See, I don't know the past output, but our present output is depends upon this past output as well as this present input. So what is the present input? RS inputs are nothing but set reset inputs are nothing but present inputs. Understand? These are the present inputs. Now the past present outputs, this is called present output. I use the color, see, blue. I'll highlight this one. See, where the blue color indicates the present outputs, and this present outputs is simply depends upon the past output as well as present input. Okay, so here one important point I'll write here, the present output of SR latching is depends on past output as well as present input. Understand? So but exactly we know that what are the values of past output we don't know. Okay, so the past output we don't know, but we don't know the past output. So therefore first of all we want to find out the past output, and past output once again connected to present input, then definitely you will get present output. Okay, so that is the situation. So for that purpose I draw a I draw a truth table. If SR is a combination of 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, okay, like that 4 combinations we have possible, because the 2 digital lines, these are R and S, is the 2 digital symbols. So A and B nothing but R and S. Okay, so therefore we have a 4 digital possibles are there. Out of this 4 digital possible, what is the present in past in output? We can find out the first past output. After then you take the feedback of the past output to the corresponding logic gates, then we will get the present output. So for that purpose I'll draw the truth table first of all. After then what are the qn plus 1 state and their complementary port, we can check what is the what will be that. Okay, so I'll move to next page because this truth table and explanation is not possible in single page, so that's why I move to next page. So please note everybody, please note. I'll move to next page. So everybody understand what I'm saying? Latching means it's this type of combination is called latching. Okay, so here we are construct SR latching from NOR gate. So that's why, that is the reason I take two NOR RS inputs, and as well as the QN bar as nothing but combinational circuits output, that is called passed output, and these passed output and input will be decided what is the next present output, what is the next output, that will be decided this latching. So this latching is two type, one is NOR latching and NAND latching. Using NOR latch you can find out anything, using NOR latch you can find no problem. So now I'll move to truth table. See, truth table, truth table. See, in truth table, so S, R and Qn. See, again, what are the next output? This is the past output and this is the next output. That is nothing but present output. So this is a present output and this is the past output. Okay. So simply write PO, PO. PO means present output. See, you will write one thing. You will better to write. So this is the present past output PO and this is the next output. Simply you say next output. Next output means present output, past output, next output. Okay. So simply take the combination of logic circuits. But see, actually in previous case I explained this concept. See, Qn and Qn bar, right now Qn and Qn values are not known. Values are not known. Not known means we don't know the values of past output. Why? Because I am not applying anything. If 0 apply, 0 apply. Inputs, present inputs given 0, 0, set 0 and reset 0. So what will be the Qn? That will always tells about the past output. But what is the present output? We can't identify. Why? Because if you know the past output, that past output will be feedback to this NOR gates. Okay. After then you will get present output. So that's the reason the past output state is right now we don't know. So if this past output Qn is either be 1 or 0, so we can't say that it is exactly 1, we can't say that it is exactly 0. So right now it is either 1 or 0. So either it's either or. Okay. So either 1 or 0, whatever it may be. First of all, I want to find out the present outputs. First, simply take the past output Qn, always take 0, 1, 0, 1 for each case. So that's why, that is the reason I represent this graph is 0, 0 is the first case. Okay. And 0 is the Qn. You put 0 is a Qn because you don't know the state. You can use the past output either 0 or 1. So again take 0, 0 combination for the past output 1. Why? Because the past output Qn is either 0 or 1. Okay, we don't know exactly it's 0 or it's 1. So that's why I consider 2 times. Okay, first time it will consider 0 and second time we consider 1. So for these 0, 1 combination will take only for 0, 0, 0, 0 combination. So and what is the next combination? 0, 1. Okay, and again another time you will take, again you will get 0, 1. Why? Because we don't know exactly Qn value. So every time you have take a possible values of 0, either 1. But 0 will be existing at s is equal to 0, comma r1 at s is equal to 0. And 1 is also you will get 1. Maybe you will get 1 Qn value. But s value is 0, r value is 0. So this is one set. Okay, and this is one set. And what about next set is 1, 0 and 1, 0 combination. So you will take 2 times every possible. Why? Because Qn value is not exactly 0 and not exactly 1. So that's why we will take 1 time 0, you will take 1 time 1. So that is the reason why I take this two sets in each case, 0, 1. Okay, so and the last set is 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, why? Because at the time is also we don't know. So actually here the Qn values are not known. I don't know the value. What is the past output right now? So that is the reason. If the past output either may be 1 or 0, but we can't predict exactly it is a 1 or 0. So that's why every possible I take twice. Every possible I take twice. 1 for 0 and 1 for 1. 1 for 0 and 1 for 1. So 1 for 0 and 1 for 1. And 1 for 0 for 1 for 1. Okay, so this is the reason I take always 2 sets of each combination, 2 sets. Okay, so అదే నేను తెలుగులో ఒకసారి చెప్తాను వినండి. జనరల్ గా క్యూఎన్ కాంప్లిమెంట్స్ రెండు కూడా పాస్ట్ అవుట్పుట్. ఈ పాస్ట్ అవుట్పుట్ ప్రజెంట్ మనకి తెలియదు కాబట్టి తెలీదు అంటే ఈ పాస్ట్ అవుట్పుట్ తెలియదు అంటే తెలియకపోవడానికి ఏం లేదు, అయితే అది 0 అవ్వాలి లేదా 1 అవ్వాలి. కానీ 0 అవుతుందా 1 అవుతుందా అనేది ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా నేను చెప్పలేను. సో ఆ రీజన్ వల్ల నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను, ప్రతి సెట్ని 2 టైమ్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను. ఒకసారి 1 అవుతుంది అనుకున్నాను, ఒకసారి 0 అవుతుంది అనుకున్నాను. సో అలా నేను తీసుకున్నాను సెట్. నౌ ఐ వాంట్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద నెక్స్ట్ అవుట్పుట్. Okay, so the present output and the present inputs, these are the present inputs. So the present input and past output will decide what is the next output. So that is the logic of flip-flop devices. So first of all, I want to find out this combination right now. This is the truth table. Now here I bypass this equation I bypass this screen for simplification. Right now, see working I'll write working. Okay, so in working you can explain one working. First of all, you can understand what is that. So take the case 1, the possible case 1. If s is equal to 0 and r is equal to 0, you will take s is equal to 0 and r is equal to 0. So that means s is put 1. I use yellow color. S is 1 and r is 0. Simply take s is 1, r is 0. Okay, see, for that purpose I take this block diagram. Okay, if s is equal to 0, r is equal to 1 case, first of all I explain. And what is the qn value? See, I'll take the first of all I want to find out the next state, qn plus 1. So qn plus 1 is equal to, see, actually here one important Boolean algebra, you remember that. So in semester 5 I explained some digital Boolean algebra logic equations. So Boolean expressions for logic circuits. So this topic is actually in 5th semester. In that 5th semester I'll explain one concept, 0 plus a is always a. Okay, and 1 plus a is always equal to 1 only. Okay, so 0 plus a is always equal to 1 plus a, 0 plus a is always equal to a, and 1 plus a is always equal to a. Okay, and you remember these equations. Actually these are Boolean expressions, 0 plus a into a 1 plus a. I'll explain 15 or 16 like formulas in the last in previous session. Okay, similarly see, 0 into a is always equal to 0 only, and 1 into a is always equal to a only. Okay, so you remember these equations. Why? Because we are using from same right now I am using this type of formulas. Okay, so these two are, you always remember, 0 plus a is always tells about a, and 1 plus a is equal to 1. In digital electrons this is possible, 0 plus 0 dot a is equal to 0, 1 dot a is equal to 1. So please remember these points. These are actually Boolean expressions for logic circuits, which is learned in semester 5 digital electronics. Okay, so once again I use, and that is the purpose I recoil this everything. 0 plus a is equal to a, and 1 plus a is equal to simply 1. Okay, so take this thing and we can explain right now by using these formulas. Okay, we use again, once again we use these equations in this present situation. So here qn plus 1, I want to find out the present output. So present out means, first of all, s is 0. If you are given s is a 0, so s is 0, and see simply that s is 0. Okay, set is also 0. I put set is also 0 right now. So first case I explained, 0 0 case. Okay, then what about see, actually I want to find out qn plus 1. So for that purpose, first of all I want to qn value. If you know the qn value, then only you can identify what is qn plus 1 value. Okay, so therefore for that purpose I want to find out qn value. First of all, what is this? This is the NOR gate. NOR gate means it is a logic operation, addition. Okay, logic operation is nothing but addition for NOR gate. and NAND gate is nothing but multiplication. So you will give reset pin is 0 and 0 plus, see, which this, if this input, what is this input? This input is nothing but QN bar, understand? So this is the one input, reset input, because Qn plus 1 I want to find out. So that is the reason you will take this input, and the second input is nothing but the complementary input of the second NOR gate. So that is nothing but QN bar. So this QN bar is right now connected in here, QN bar. Okay, so 0 plus QN bar whole bar. So this is nothing but 0 plus QN bar whole bar. So this is your output, understand? This QN bar is moving in this point, and right now this is represent QN bar, and this is 0, and 0 plus QN bar whole bar. 0 plus QN bar whole bar is nothing but the output of the formation. So Qn plus 1 is right now 0 plus Qn bar, understand? But what is 0 plus A? 0 plus A is nothing but simply A only. So this is a form of 0 plus A. Okay, so bar Q 0 plus Qn bar whole bar, understand? See, this is a Qn bar. This Qn bar output of the second NOR gate. This NOR gate is connected to input of the first NOR gate. Therefore Qn bar 0. So 0 plus Qn bar whole bar. So the output is 0 plus Qn bar whole bar. Okay, so right now, so this is, but according to Boolean expression, 0 plus A is nothing but A only. So therefore, so 0 plus A. So therefore Qn bar whole bar. So this is called Qn bar. So we know that present output is Qn bar, Qn only. That is nothing but here Qn plus 1, Qn plus 1 will again comes to Qn only. Okay, and see, take the similar complementary port. Using that complementary port, you can write out what is Qn value. Generally, if both S and R both are 0, simply we can say that there is a no change state. Actually, this state was not changed. What you will get past outputs is the same will be comes out next output only, present output, next output or present output. Okay, the present output or next output as the same as the past output. So you will get 0 1 only. How you will get 0 1 only? See, simply a Qn. So Qn plus 1 is equal to Qn means, see, Qn plus 1 is equal to Qn means the state was not changing, understand? Qn plus 1. See, Qn plus 1 is always equal to Qn1 means the state was not changed. State is not changing. So no need to find out Qn plus 1 whole bar complementary. So if you want to really check Qn plus 1 bar, no problem. You want to check, no problem. See, Qn plus 1 whole bar I write now. Again, I want to check the complementary port. So right now I want to check the normal port of the present output. So you want to check the complementary port also. So what is the complementary port? Qn plus 1 bar, simply take S is a 0 and this is a nothing but Qn. Okay, so this is the Qn. Okay, so this output is taken, the input of the second NOR gate is connected to output of the first NOR gate. So simply this is the Qn value. Now 0 plus Qn whole bar. See, 0 plus Qn whole bar. So what is that Qn bar? Okay, you will get Qn bar only. So Qn whole plus 1 bar is nothing but, see, Qn plus 1 whole bar comes Qn bar only. So that means the state is not changed. Whatever the output we are consider in past output 0, either 1 we are considered 0 one time and 1 is one time. So the same output will be comes on present situation also. So therefore this condition is called no change condition. No change condition. Okay, so come to second one, second output. Now case 2, come to case 2. In case 2, S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1. So simply take right now what are the situations. So S is right now 0 and simply R is 1. So I want to find out Qn plus 1, Qn plus 1 value. Present output I want to find out present output. So what is the present output? Qn plus 1 is equal to, see, Qn plus 1 means Qn plus 1 I want to find out. R is 1. Okay, and this is the complementary input. You will take Qn bar. So 1 plus Qn bar whole bar. So this will be comes at 1 plus Qn whole bar. Understand? This is 1 plus qn bar whole bar. So you will get 1 plus qn bar is nothing but an formula. I already write the formula. See, 1 plus a is nothing but only 1 in Boolean expression formula. So this is nothing but 1 plus a is nothing but 1 bar. So this is equal to 0. So therefore, if you take qn plus 1 value, it is a simply 0. Okay, so this is 0. Whenever you take set is 0, reset is 0, if you consider the present past output is 0 for one time, then you will get the present output is 0. Okay, so next and see, simply if it is 0 means, so definitely the complementary port, what you will get complementary port on the reference of this normal port, you will get complementary port is 1. Understand? So qn plus 1, you will check once again what is the qn plus 1 whole bar is also. Okay, so if you check the qn plus 1 whole bar, right, again, so every time I check the main normal port and complementary port, I'll check the normal port, I'll get 0 value, and next again I'll check the complementary port. See, qn plus 1 bar. Now complementary port, come to complementary port, qn plus 1 whole bar. So that is nothing but 0 into 0 plus qn whole bar. So 0 plus qn whole bar, 0 plus qn whole bar, because the output, this is a qn, this qn is connected to input of the second NOR gate, and s is a 0 value. 0 plus qn is nothing but 0 plus qn whole bar. So this is 0 plus qn whole bar. Okay, so what about 0 plus a is nothing but 0 plus a is nothing but a only. So therefore 0 is nothing but a only. So this is a qn bar only. Okay, so on the reference, what is the qn value? A qn bar. So the qn bar is nothing but 0 only. See, understand what I'm saying that? So if qn bar is 0 on the reference of qn plus 1, you can say that if qn bar is 0 is nothing but you will get actually ఒకసారి అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా నేను చెప్పేది. ఇక్కడ qn plus 1 మనం చెక్ చేసినప్పుడు 0 వచ్చిందమ్మా. ఓకేనా? సో అలాగే ఏమవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ మనకి ఆల్రెడీ ఒక పోర్ట్ 0 వచ్చేసింది. ఇప్పుడు qn plus 1 హోల్ బార్ చేసినప్పుడు 0 plus qn is equal to qn బార్ వచ్చింది. qn బార్ అంటే ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ నేను qn అనేది 1 తీసుకున్నాను కాబట్టి 1 హోల్ బార్ చేస్తాను, బికాజ్ ఇక్కడ qn1 ఏం తీసుకున్నాను, నేను ప్రజెంట్ అవుట్పుట్లో ఇక్కడ 1 తీసుకున్నాను. సో 1 బార్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏమైంది, 0. సో ఇక్కడ మీకు 0 వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ కూడా 0 వచ్చింది. సో కాంప్లిమెంటరీ పోర్ట్ ఏమవుతుంది, 0 అవుతుంది. అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ దట్? Okay, so every time you will check qn plus 1 and qn plus 1 bar. So qn plus 1, at the time you will get output of the first NOR gate is 1 plus qn bar whole bar, and this is equal to simply for 1 plus a is nothing but only 1. So therefore 1 bar is equal to 0 you will get. Okay, so once again I check the complementary port qn plus 1 whole bar. Okay, so I'll get 0 plus qn and 0, that is called 0 plus a is nothing but a only, qn bar. But what is qn? We are consider here the output right now. Present output we are consider, past output we are consider 1. So simply take 1 bar is equal to 0. So therefore you will get the next outputs are 0. So this is called reset condition. This is called reset condition. Okay, if you get present outputs are 0 0, then the flip flop is reset. The present inputs are the same as the past output, then the no change condition will be exist. This is called no change condition of flip flop, and you will get the present outputs are 0 0. Okay, so the present outputs are 0 0, then the flip flop is set to be reset. So what about the next case 3? Okay, so come to case 3. In case 3, you will take s is equal to 1, r is equal to 0. Okay, so what about in this case? See right now I consider s is 1, r is equal to 0. S is 1, r is equal to 0. Now this is becomes 0 comma qn, output you will get 0 comma qn bar whole bar, and you will get this is a 1, So this is nothing but 1. Okay, so right now once again check the third condition. See, right now qn plus 1 is equal to, see in this case you will get s is 1, r is equal to 0. Okay, s is 1, r is equal to 0. In qn plus case means this the the first NOR gate output we are consider in qn plus 1 case. So simply 0 plus qn whole bar, so that is called 0 plus qn bar whole bar. So that is called 0 plus qn bar is nothing but qn bar only. And what are the qn bar is we are consider here the qn bar. Here I am consider qn bar whole bar, so that is called qn. So you will get qn is your output. Okay, so once again you check the complementary port, you just put here qn value. So you didn't get the present input anything. The present input is the same as the past output only, qn only. So simply you consider qn plus 1 whole bar port. So this is equal to, right now 0 plus qn bar. So qn plus 1 whole bar we will check. See what is qn plus 1 whole bar. So simply you check here, qn plus 1 whole bar is nothing but 1 plus qn bar. Okay, the output is 1 plus qn bar, 1 plus qn bar. Okay, and 1 plus qn bar is nothing but only 1 bar, you will get 0. With the reference of qn plus 1 whole bar, you can consider this value is nothing but 0. Understand? With the reference of complementary port, you will write the normal port. Normal port is 0. Why? The complementary port you will get nothing. But if you consider normal port, you didn't get anything. But if you consider the complementary port, complementary port will be 0. So with the reference of complementary port, you can write the value of qn plus 1. So this is a qn plus 1 is 0 means complementary is 0 means, then what about qn plus 1 value? This is equal to 1. Qn plus 1 value is what is nothing but qn plus 1 value. So you will get qn plus 1 value is equal to 1. So therefore qn plus 1 is equal to 1. And what about qn plus 1 bar is 0. Okay, so this condition is called set condition. So this condition is called set condition. Okay, so come to the fourth case. So I'll write here the fourth case. You understand all these things? First case, second case, third case, what will be happen? In the first case, no change state condition will be exist, because both the inputs are 0, and at the time the change is the output, the present output and past output both are not changing. When we are taken set is 0 and reset is 1, then the flip-flop is going to be reset condition. When the set is 1 and reset is 0, then the flip-flop is set to be in set condition. And see the fourth, I'll write using another color. In the fourth, I'll write here. See, in case 4, you will get both s is equal to 1, r is equal to 1. In this situation, see, if s is equal to 1, r is equal to 1 means qn plus 1 value is nothing but both are 1 means 1 plus qn whole bar. So this is your output. Okay, and you can simply write this is a q, and 1 plus qn bar is nothing but 1 bar only. Okay, 1 plus a is nothing but 1. So therefore this is 1 bar, you will get 0. So you will get qn plus 1 is 0. Okay, and what about the complementary port qn plus 1 whole bar? So what about the complementary of, okay, I'll write it. What about the complementary port of this equation? So you will get again complementary port means 1 plus qn whole bar. That's all. 1 plus qn whole bar. Okay, so that is called qn bar only. 1 plus a bar is nothing but whole bar 1. So this is equal to that 1 plus a is nothing but only 1. 1 plus a is nothing but only 1. So this is not 1 bar, again you will get 0. See, normal port you will get 0, complementary port is also you will get 0. It is possible or not? It is not possible. Why? Because the normal is 0 and their complementary should compulsory it is equivalent to 1, but in this case you will get normal port is 0 and complementary port is also 0. So this is a indeterminate state, so this is called indeterminate state. So in this situation you don't get any flip-flop, cannot show any state, so that's why simply the present both outputs are indeterminate state, so that is called don't care condition. So this is called indeterminate state. So everybody understand what I'm saying that? So this is the theory of SR latching. Okay, so I think time is enough. Once again I explain in Telugu, after then I close the session. Okay, so please once again you listen everybody.